I love the addition of the finger coils. These here are a game changer. Okay, let's do a shake test to see if this one's gonna fall off. Be prepared. As much as I am dizzy, this one goes nowhere. Although it is a V-part wig and it's technically not like bonded down, the combs and the clips as well as the drawstring do everything we need to keep this one secure. This here is a V-part wig sent courtesy of Nadula hair. She is a nice, beautiful, curly texture, and she has the finger coils, which I am obsessed with. Look at that. It's literally a put on and go V-part wig. All you gotta do is style or part out a V section of your hair and just make it blend. It's literally put on and go. This one here is a beautiful V-part, includes a comb in the front as well as a clip, a bunch of combs around just to make sure the wig is secure. You also get your adjustable elastic band, and the icing on the cake is you get the drawstring. Now that is the thing for me. I feel like in the past V-part wigs did not fit my head correctly because it's so oddly shaped with my egg head. And this one here, you just put it on and then you kind of just put whatever, you know, you kind of slide it on up top, secure it, and then in the back you kind of just adjust that drawstring, which you'll see me do in the video, and it's a match made in heaven. Again, I went ahead and used my curly hair products, and with the ends I didn't have to do much at all, and it looks like I spent so much time on these beautiful finger coils. But as you guys know, I'm a dance mom and we have to leave in T-minus 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, let's get right into the tutorial. This is also the packaging the wig came in. And here is our beauty, the star of the show. So this one here is the newly upgraded V-part wig. The texture is curly and it comes adorned with the beautiful finger coils. This is a V-part wig, so literally all you have to do for prep is to cut that little ribbon so that your V is pretty much ready to install, just like this. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. You have your comfort upgrade combs as well as the clips. There's 2 clips on the inside lining that V, and you literally just clip them open and seal them closed. And then you have 2 mini combs on the outer, and again, these are an upgrade. I prefer just to use those. You have some medium-sized combs along the side. You have your adjustable and removable elastic band. I like to use this to pretty much make my wig fit nice and comfy and secure. At the nape, you have your larger comb as well as your drawstring. The drawstring to me is literally magic. I cannot do anything without the drawstring, especially with the V-part wig. So we're going to go ahead and take care of our natural hair. I'll also put on a wig cap at the very back. Again, I'm tender-headed, so any comb or anything that like snags the hair really makes me like just sends me. So I went ahead and put that on just to make sure that nothing snags. And now we are ready to install. Simply just put the wig on, line that V, you adjust your drawstring, and you are good to go. As I mentioned, I do not use the wig clips along the V. I just use the 2 smaller combs, and then again I adjust that drawstring. Here is a look at the close-up of those finger coils. Today we will not be disturbing those, so I'm going to show you how to style the hair without making any move to mess up the perfect flawless finger curls. Here's a close-up of what the wig looks like from the back. I love this texture, and she's going to look so good throughout the fall and winter seasons. And then we put her on ice and she'll be really, really cute for summer and fall and spring and literally all the seasons, honestly. Now we're going to play with my leave out. Today I am using the Elastic QP Mango Butter. This is a oldie but goodie, and it was definitely a staple in the natural hair community back in the days when YouTube first started, and it was just the girlies, the OGs sitting on the floor in their bedroom against a white wall talking about the things that they bought and how they were doing their hair. I'm going to add a little bit of mousse to that just to kind of add a little bit of moisture and a little bit of hold. And I'm applying a generous amount. And I love the way this one adds a little bit of shine and a little bit of slip to my hair. It defines it super, super nice. And then I'm just kind of brushing that in. I'm going to tuck my natural hair behind my ears. In no way, shape, or form do I believe that my hair is the same exact texture as this wig. But I'm just going to do something that looks really good and I enjoy. Next, I'm going to take the Edge Booster. I had both
versions on me on this day. I prefer the one that's more water-based, the one that's clear. The one that is a little bit more on the tannish brown color is a little bit more of a heavier hold, and I like that one too for different purposes, but for this purpose I just wanted a little bit of hold as well as a little bit more sheen to the hair, and it did exactly what I needed it to do. I wasn't for the heavy baby hair on this specific day, but I did want to do like heavy sideburns. I really liked the way that looked, so I started out by trying to finger coil my natural hair with the edge booster. I realized as I moved forward that it didn't curl up like it would with like a lock and twist gel or something like that. So they just look like little antlers. So you'll see me update that in just a moment. But for now, I did scrunch in a little bit of mousse towards the ends. And then again, I did fix those sideburns to be, you know, perfect. And this was the look, ladies and gentlemen. I think it came out amazing. I don't think my hair blends perfectly, but it blends amazing and perfect to me. Everything about this one is absolutely 10 out of 10. This is the perfect everyday wig to give natural, you know, with the leave out, but also a little va-va-voom so you don't feel just flat and regular. So this is the look, ladies and gentlemen. This one came out absolutely amazing. You can do this from the convenience and the comfort of your home with just a few simple products and a little bit of leave out. I think this is amazing. Again, perfect for that sew in, tape in, clip in dupe while preserving your hair with a nice moisturizing products so that you don't fry your hair with the straightener. I absolutely give this one a 10 out of 10.
And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I love this V part. Tomorrow's actually going to be my birthday. My husband planned a spa day for me, and this is going to be my wig of choice. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair this morning, and then now I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down and kind of just like protect this in maybe like a twist out or a braid out. That way in the morning I can go ahead and just lay everything into probably one ponytail or bun so that I can get that nice head massage. And then when I'm leaving the spa, I'm going to do my hair and makeup there behind the scenes, and this is going to be the wig of choice. The reason I'm choosing this is because I really just want to give a natural-esque vibe. I love this one because it just definitely blends with my hair, my natural hair, so well. Even my kids right here are blown away like, what is that, a wig? And I love the addition of the finger coils. These here are a game changer. You don't have to go in and define the hair. I just took a little mousse and scrunched it just to kind of wake it up and give it a little, you know, a little moisture, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.